Why is English so difficult to speak, even after years of learning? Many learners study hard, but when speaking, their mind becomes slow. The reason is simple. Most learners translate every sentence in their head. This process is slow and exhausting. Fluent speakers do something different. They think directly in English. Speaking then becomes natural, fast, and effortless. Today, you will learn how to train your brain. You'll understand techniques fluent speakers use every day. The first step is simple. Look around you. Connect objects directly to English words in your mind. When you see a table, think table. See a door, think door. This removes translation. Walk around your room and name everything. Chair, window, book. Soon, your brain will recognize words automatically. Next, think in small sentences. Don't just say cup. Say, this is a cup. Describe your actions. Do not worry about making mistakes. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is thinking. Now, practice thinking about daily activities. When you wake up, think, I am waking up. I feel a little tired. Ask yourself questions in English. What should I do today? Then, answer them. This creates a mental conversation. Visualize situations. Imagine ordering coffee in a cafe. What would you say? This prepares you for real life. Throughout your day, narrate your actions. I am walking to the shop. This trains your brain to stay in English. At first, it may feel slow. But with practice, your brain becomes faster. You'll start thinking automatically. Remember, thinking in English is a skill. It improves with consistent practice, not perfect grammar. Speak in your mind. Describe your world. Ask questions. Imagine conversations. Your brain will change. One day, you'll realize you are no longer translating. You are thinking in English, and speaking becomes natural. That is the moment you truly start becoming fluent. Keep practicing and let English become part of your mind.